Racing can always ignite the passion of life. Look here NF9186, which has a very cool appearance, inspired by Harley motorcycles, with a perfect light on 3 and 9 o'clock, which is connected to the 24-hour window. Looks like a motorcycle's multi-layers hollow design. The good quality movement can be seen, bringing a different vision, multi-layer style, with a mechanical feeling. Whatever photo business or leisure fashions are suitable. The 13mm case used Working's environmental protection iron plating process. Combine the gear bezels, excuses, and looks more great. The hands and indices are fused with luminous coating. Make this watch more layered. Adjustable stainless steel strap matched with double folding buckle, comfortable to wear. So, what are you waiting for? Just come and pick one away.